Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black and it looks awesome. You do have that performance hood that gives it a very cool look. You do have your Dodge logo there on the grille, and you do have projector style headlights right there, as well as the projector style fog lights hanging out down there. Now coming around the side, we do have 20-inch rims with Bridgestone brand tires. Those rims look great, and those tires still got lots of tread left on them. You do have heated exterior mirrors here in black with your turning signals on them. And coming all the way to the back here, we do have that RT logo and the Durango, as well as your backup camera hanging out there. And it is an automatic lift gate, so as long as you have the key on you, you just gotta press the button, it'll open up for you. Tons of room back here, very spacious. You do have additional storage just underneath there if you did want to use it. Or you can actually just pull these guys right here, like that, and fold it down. Oops, fold it down just like that. And then you do have even more room. You can fold down the other side. You do have the cover as well to cover it up, and then people can't see what you're hauling around. You do got a little bit of additional storage on the other side as well. And all you gotta do is press that button and get out of the way, and it will close back up for you. Okay, we have our keys here, so we have 2 pressed to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have 2 presses to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it'll get nice and warm for you, and it sounds really nice. Now, also has proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there. Plus, you have that chrome accenting here and the red stitching, which makes it look very nice. Handle here. You got your seat memory here and some storage down here with the water bottle holder. And you do have the controls over your seat, so back and forth, as well as the lean and the lumbar support. Very nice in here. Leather feels great. You got the RT logo, as well as you have the stitching throughout. Looks awesome. You also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, your low beams, and your fog lights right there. And then this guy right here is the control over our high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, as long as the keys are in the vehicle with you, all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we can change that guy up a little bit. It does tell us the temperature outside, as well as how many kilometers. It says 17,000, that's not very many at all. Then we can change it up from our speedometer to our oil life. We got our fuel economy, trip A and B. You got your audio, your messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. You can control that all from right here, as well as you have your call out button, voice recognition, and hang up, your paddle shifters on the side, your horn, and then you also have your cruise control options right there. Now coming over to the center here, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. You have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging in there. Then you also have your media if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, USB. You have your climate controls here if you want to do anything through there. You do have a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. Then you also have your apps here if you want to do any of those things. You got your navigation, so if you do hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place, of course. You got your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, as well as you have your settings there. When you do shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is so nice. Now down here in the climate control, we have all sorts of different guys. So we do have our volume up and down, as well as the off. We got our mute, our hazard lights, our screen off. We have the browser there. We have our AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off, auto, as well as the defrost. Then you have your park assist on and off, your eco and sport mode, as well as your traction control, all in there. Down here we also have the control, or sorry, we have our aux cord and our Bluetooth, or aux cord and our USB. And then that is our gear shift right there, so just shift like that, feels very nice. Some cup holders right here, and we do have the shift from the all-wheel auto to the low range, as well as we got a bit of storage here. And then in the center, we do have our armrest, which doubles as a dual layer storage container. Then over here, we do also have a locking glove box. Lots of room in there. You do have your owner's manual as well. And then up top, we have a universal garage door opener. We have the controls over our sunroof. We have some lights, and you also have your sunglass holder. And there is our sunroof, very large, lets in lots of light. You look in the back here, open this guy up. You have that same chrome accenting on the handle. You have the control over your windows handle here, and that red stitching. Some storage right down there. And it looks awesome back here, very spacious. Easily you can sit 7 people and everyone will be very comfortable. You do have the heated seats back here with the USB plug-ins, and you can fold this down for an armrest with some cup holders. You can also just fold this right down, just like that. Now you can get back there and you can sit down. You got some cup holders as well. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Dodge Durango RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.